destination unknown, known, 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 known.
Did you know predictions suggest that if global temperatures increase by 2 degrees by 2176 years away, 18% of all species on land will face a high risk of becoming extinct? We weren't the ones who caused this. It's you adults. You are the reason we are in this situation. So do something about it. Act. Act now. So picky and horrible. 30% of fruit is wasted because it's ugly or too small. Imagine if you were a fruit thrown away because these weird alien creatures didn't like the look of you. We're getting better at using things like solar panels. Around 25 million households have them. Remember, an idea can go from the size of a seed to a sunflower. I reckon about 75% of humans would say they loved our Earth, but if they did, we wouldn't have this crisis. We would all be happy and the world would be safe for everyone. If that 75% of people did something to show how much they cared, the 25% would be forced to give up on trying to hurt it and would become eco-friendly too. Act now. Those 2 words are the key to success. We hear them a lot, but if we really meant them, something would change.